What are we going to give on it today, guys? And hey, look at there on the 5-star. And what are we going to give? Give me $5,000. And 5,000. 2025. 2025. 3. You're out, Mike. 3 now. 25 here. $3,000. And 3. 35. 32 and a half. 35. 37 and a half. 37 and a half. 4 now. 4. 37 and a half. 4. 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42, 50 down, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half. He says, go, Grandpa, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 45, 47 and a half. Dale's in, 47 and a half, 47 and a half, 47 and a half. Terry, both your men are out. 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 4 down, 2 and a half, 4 down, 2 and a half, 2 and a half. I'm a Dale, 42 and a half, 4 down, another 42 and a half, 42, 52 and a half, 52 and a half, all done. 42, 50, 42 and a half, 45, Dale, 45. That was so close, you just about owned it. 45, 47, 50, 47 and a half, 47 and a half, 47, 50 now, half, 47 and a half, $5,000, Dale now, 5, I can see right now, Dale, you need to ask her. $5,000, 52 and a half, 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 tackle him if you have to. 52 and a half, 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 yes or no? 52, 50, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 52 and a half, 55, 52 and a half, 55, 55. Here she goes, she's gone after this. 55, 50. 53, 54, 54, 54, they're both getting weight. 53, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56. Sold them $5,500. Dale, you're the man. All right, here you go. You're the winner. It is 7515, 7515.